Pasang kinong thokot Khasi ka Khasi Authors Society KAS kabala dan menta dagi senam kum ka jing ai jing sakri na ka benta kinong thokot hapo ka ni kari Khasi jantia pat ka ba 4 dan yala ka jong ka slam trikam shan kan sayok pedang ya ka khyndew ka ba dan hadu san hajar Sq Phut. Ya kani lapan benado Menteri Wakmi Ikatanat Arts and Culture ubak polling do ubla ong baka Sorkar kala ai ka khyndew ka badan ha pyrshah jong ka CRPF kam hamaulai.
Kini ka rai ke jongi ke bedai pedebat ke arts and culture ke idei bat ke jing ai ke jongi ya ke khyndew ke bahasan hajar Sq Phut nak benta ke Khasi Author Society bahkan nyok banchna ya ke office rekam ke jongka kini ke don ha maulai ke dei pyrshah jong kini ke CRPF camp bat ke jaka ke pengitip ke kumka tribal research institute wa ka bahab kini ke Department of Arts and Culture te kani ka office building ka ba ki hinchna ingai kan pen kan yarap ba kin nom trikam ko ba ki trikam menta da ka ba ki dan no la ka jongka jaka trikam ka bas camp ha ka bas dang menta tingin let shwai ka alot ben jongka khyndew de subsequent to that ngin ya baik pada katno ga Sorkar kalaban fund ni kenika office building jongke. See, a lot of efforts has been made and will be made. I'm aware of those because I also am a member of the Khasi Author Society. In fact, in the month of December, the society is organizing a national seminar at Delhi to propagate and strengthen its claim for the inclusion of Khasi in the 8th schedule. And they will also be staging a demonstration at Jantar Mantar, things like that. So it's not just government alone or a building alone. We're also doing our part. I have also been writing.
Of course, what are the hurdles? I mean, is it because one state, two languages, they cannot recognize? Or?
No, I think what needs to be done, I do not want to lay the blame on anybody, but a language that has been studied at the graduation level in the Calcutta University in 1900 certainly deserves that status.